Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates of 23rd and 24th August together. Secondly, I have made a new thumbnail for this latest news updates. Please let me know if you like it or should I make some more changes in it. So let's start. Number 1, electromagnetic aircraft launch systems, that is EMALS report. R&DE, a premier research organization under the DRDO, has made significant strides in developing small-scale demonstrator technologies for electromagnetic launch systems. These technologies hold the potential to revolutionize aircraft launch operations, particularly for naval applications. Next, EW Pod for LCH Prachand. In a significant step towards enhancing the capabilities of the Indian Armed Forces, DRDO and HAL are set to collaborate on the development of an indigenous airborne electronic warfare pod for the light combat helicopter Prachand. The EW pod is designed to be integrated into an inner tower of the LCH, providing crucial electronic countermeasures to protect the helicopter from radar-guided missiles and other threats. Next, ALH Dhruv and LUH remain top contender in Argentina. India has emerged as a potential supplier of helicopters for the Argentine Navy, as confirmed by the Chief of General Staff of the Argentina Armada, Contralmirante Carlos Maria LUV. HAL has extended an offer to the Argentine Army for its ALH Dhruv and LUH helicopters to replace the aging Bell UH-1 fleet. Next, Astra Mk2 poised to rival global competitors. The Astra Mk2, India's advanced medium-range air-to-air missile, is set to elevate the Indian Air Force aerial combat capabilities to new heights. Classified in the same category as AIM-120D advanced medium-range air-to-air missile, the Astra Mk2 is designed to engage enemy aircraft at extended ranging, providing India with a strategic edge in air superiority. Next, successful launch of India's first RHUMI-1, that is reusable hybrid rocket. In a significant milestone for India's burgeoning space industry, Space Zone India, in collaboration with the Martin Group, successfully launched its first reusable hybrid rocket RHUMI-1 today. The launch took place from Thiruvidanthai beach near Mamalapuram, Tamil Nadu at 7 a.m. The rocket pioneering development is in reusable rocket technology, carried 3 test satellites into a suborbital trajectory. Next, ATAGS shows its mobility in high altitude terrain. In a recent video that has captured the attention of military enthusiasts, the advanced towed artillery gun system, that is ATAGS, showcased its impressive mobility in high altitude terrain. This 152 mm 52 caliber howitzer, developed indigenously by India, demonstrated its ability to navigate challenging terrain with ease. Next, Israeli optics manufacturer partners with Indian firm Maprolite, a leading Israeli manufacturer of electro-optical sights for the defense and law enforcement industries, has strengthened its presence in India with the establishment of a new assembly line in partnership with RRP S4E Innovation Private Limited. This strategic move comes in response to the increasing demand for Meprolite's advanced sites in the Indian market. Next, Rajnath Austin appreciate progress in Indus X. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday held wide-ranging discussions on the issues of bilateral defense cooperation, industrial collaboration, and regional security with U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin. The defense minister, who was on 4-day visit to the U.S., highlighted the various co-development and co-production opportunities in India in the areas identified in the India-US Defense Industrial Cooperation Roadmap, which was adopted last year, the Ministry of Defense stated in a press release. Thank you.